So the first thing that you need to do before we go to install the fog surrounds is make sure that the trim itself is clean. So using the wipes that are supplied in the kit, make sure that you give the trim a good clean. So generally we would recommend heating up the area before you stick it so that it creates a better bond, but this car has been sat in the sun all day and is already warm. So next you're going to remove all the tape from the trim, and then you're going to line it up on the front and secure it in place. Make sure before you push it firmly in place that it's where you want it to be. Check all around the edges, and once you're happy that it's in the right place, push it firmly on. And the final thing to do once you're happy that they're all fitted and secure is just remove the protective film.